I'm with the Cunot Food Pantry. We are raising money to raise for our food pantry today here at the Cataract Lake grocery store. They're having a barbecue cook-off and vendors are here today, and we set up a booth here too, doing raffle tickets and a little yard sale. It's been a great day and I've enjoyed having everybody out. Thank you.
All right, we're down here in Cunot, Indiana, and we're having a good time, and we invite everybody. You're more than welcome. I love you guys.
But I will say this, if you're under 60, I don't want to hear about your barbecue because you don't know what you're doing. If you're over 60, come meet me, and if you cook the brisket back here, I want you to come talk to me later. All right, so in any case, I'm not sure how much we raised. We're going to be very transparent. We're going to take that money and we're going to buy non-perishable goods. These vendors are going to match a lot of that, and then we're going to keep that food pantry stocked as long as we possibly can. Let's go with chicken. In second place, Jack and Curtis. Where's Jack and Curtis? There we go. In first place, Jolene Barbecue. All right, so for pork, second place is Jaybird. All right, first place for pork, Joe. I don't know what you injected that with, but I would ain't steroids, man. All right, for brisket, which is one of my favorites. Second place goes to Kevin Hall. All right, and first place for brisket, Bridge 42 Barbecue. Cannot thank this community enough for the support.
What's y'all secret ingredient?
It's a secret. Well, you got to get my band in here too.
Being interviewed.
Look, low and slow. 16 hours overnight. I stayed up all night, so I'm drinking now. Good day.
He's the wrong guy to interview, dude.
I would say experience. We've both been in the restaurant business pretty much all of our lives, so we both had a lot of experience.
A lot of experience, a lot of
that's
love
it.
for cooking.
We like to make people happy, so
Definitely.
yeah, that's about it. Thank you. Anything?
That's it.